Ever think about the unsung hero of your golf cart's performance? It's probably right under your foot. Today, we're diving into something that might seem small, but can make a huge difference in your daily golf cart experience. This golf cart pedal assembly, designed specifically for 2006 to 2011 Yamaha electric golf carts. And yes, it comes with all the screws you need, which is always a welcome bonus. Now, before you even think about hitting that buy button, a quick but crucial note. Make sure to double-check your golf cart's model and year. This assembly is a direct replacement for OEM numbers like JW2 F7850090, JW2 F7850000, and JW2 F7850100. Compatibility is key here, so don't skip that step. What really caught my attention with this pedal assembly is the promise of good rebound. And honestly, it delivers. You know that feeling when an old pedal feels sluggish or sticky? Not here. The spring mechanism provides an accurate and delay-free rebound, making your acceleration and braking feel incredibly responsive. Plus, the stable parking hook means you won't have to worry about it loosening up unexpectedly, which is a huge relief for safety and peace of mind. The manufacturing quality also stands out. This isn't some flimsy piece of plastic. It feels robust, designed to be not easily deformed or broken, and strong enough to withstand constant use without loosening. But what I genuinely appreciate is the thoughtful design of the pedal surface itself. It features a square pattern that significantly improves friction. Think about those rainy days, or when you've got a bit of mud or dirt on the bottom of your shoes. With this pedal, you don't have to worry about slipping, which is a fantastic safety feature that often gets overlooked. Over time, the original pedals on any golf cart are going to wear out. They can become stiff, lose their responsiveness, or even develop cracks. Replacing them with a quality assembly like this isn't just about maintenance. It's about genuinely improving your driving performance. You'll notice a smoother, more predictable ride, giving you better control and a more enjoyable experience overall. It truly breathes new life into an older cart. In the package, you get the complete Yamaha pedal assembly and 6 screws, so you're ready for a straightforward installation. If your 2006-2011 Yamaha electric golf cart is feeling a bit tired underfoot, this pedal assembly is an excellent, well-made solution that promises to bring back that crisp, responsive feel. It's a small investment that yields a significant improvement in both safety and driving pleasure.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.